Hey guys, Ken from the Glorious Geeks here, and today we're unboxing the Anker SOLIX C1000 power station and the expansion battery BP1000. Will it meet our power needs? Let's get into it. All right, we got it unboxed. Let's get it hooked up, see how long it takes to power, and see if it can pass that 8-hour print test.
Hours later.
All right, we've had a SOLIX C1000 and the battery expansion BP1000 for a couple months now. We did the 8-hour print test, as you saw earlier. It passed flying colors, and it still had juice left in the battery. So then we took it to the Gold Coast Artisan Fair in August, and here in Ludington, Michigan, and it passed their flying colors as well. It powered our Bamboo P1S and also our blacklight box, which customers could put their glow items into, and even in the middle of the day, see what they look like under blacklight and glow conditions. And then it also powered all the LEDs in our tent, which is quite a few. 10 out of 10 rating on this. Good job, Anker, for making this. I really appreciate it. We're going to use it for a battery backup on downtime here when we're not going to art fairs and stuff. So that way, if we have any power outages, we still keep printing because it has pass-through charging capability. Stay tuned on the channel for further reviews for different things like Sunlu products and other things that I'll find useful for the 3D printing world. Tune in on Monday nights from 7 to 8 p.m. for Print and Pretzels Mobile Edition, and then also on Wednesday nights for Print and Pretzels Standard Edition, where we're going to do print things off on the Frozen Arco printer that we just received. So, and until next time, be glorious.